how long would it take to prepare to hold an election in 290 constituencies, 47 counties times 2 because of women reps and senators. Registration of those Kenyans who may not have been registered as voters. The current pandemic situation prevailing not just in Kenya but throughout the world, all those circumstances would need to be considered. Of course, elections are not just a walk in the park. They require to be financed. So all those processes, anybody taking any action to actualize the advice, if it ever was to be actualized, would need to take into account all those factors. So I don't think that there's no hurry. That's why at the commission we have said, let there be calm. There's nothing to panic about.
After the CA announced the Constitution, will they be still having the force of law?
The current Chief Justice was appointed by the 11th Parliament. It still did not have the 2/3. So are his actions lawful? Because it will mean that he was appointed by an unlawful house. So, I mean, some of these things really we need to.
Common sense.
Yeah, we don't need to even deliver that.
Mheshimiwa Spika, mara si moja umezungumzia swala hili ukisema kwamba si kazi ya bunge kuhakikisha kwamba kuna wawakilishi sawa katika nafasi za uongozi, lakini wengi hata wale ambao walienda mahakamani wanasema ni kazi ya bunge kufanya kuhakikisha hili linatekelezwa. Na la pili kuhusiana na kusema kwamba PSC itaelekea katika mahakama kuu kupinga uamuzi huu, labda kabla ya hapo mpango yoyote labda kushauriana na rais kwanza, kwa sababu ushauri wa PSC yake kwa sasa
hatuone haja yoyote ya kuelekea upande huo. Na vile tunajua vile sheria huwa inatengezwa, inaanzia kutoka sehemu yoyote, kutoka kwa serikali, kutoka kwa hata raia. Wamepewa haki ya kuleta petition, kuuliza bunge litengeze sheria aina fulani. Ningetaka kujua kutoka kwa mtu yoyote, hata hao wenye walienda mahakamani, kama washaleta mjadala wowote in either of the houses of parliament requesting that a particular bill called the 2/3 gender rule be enacted. They are there, everybody. And the requirement under Article 27 is the state. Surely, Parliament is not the only arm of the state. Yeah? It's not the only state organ. There are very many others, including the judiciary. Where we know the Chief Justice obviously knows very well that they are not compliant as well. So we think that this was precipitate action that shouldn't have been taken.
Speaker, given the past decisions that have been taken by the courts over similar decisions, similar matter, and given the position of the Chief Justice as the head of the judiciary, do you feel confident that by going to the High Court, you will get justice?
We are not fighting with the judiciary. Yeah, we are not fighting with the judiciary. Remember, the petition that is the petitions that are in court. One of them is a very important one, because Article 102 of the Constitution provides that the term of each parliament expires at the election of another parliament. Yeah? So, and that is important. We need an interpretation. Well, those orders which were issued giving 60 days on 29th of March 2017, are they applicable to members who are not even members of parliament at that time? All these things need to be canvassed. and let's get some decision. Sawa. Sorry. Thank you.
Lawyers have said that any legislation or any sitting you may undertake in Parliament is null and void.
We have even passed the judicial side, the judicial small courts, small claims courts, the hierarchy of courts, the Court of Appeal Act, the High Court Organizational Act. Have they been declared unconstitutional?
Including the appointment of the Chief Justice himself.
Yes. So surely, if we are the same Parliament that approved the Chief Justice and the Deputy Chief Justice
Appointment.
The appointment, including the amendments they brought to us about the Judicial Service Act. So surely they will come to us, we pass the law for them, and it is okay. But you are saying now any other law we pass is are they enjoying their finances, which we have appropriated to them through the Appropriations Act? If it is unconstitutional, let everybody pack off and go home. I mean, it can't just be Parliament becoming everybody is punching bag. You know, surely it's not right. Asanteni.
Thank you. Very well.
Thank you very much. Thank
Kizia, nimeenda kura kina Jeff. Let me send the photos. Let me get the photos from kina Jeff. Yes, imeisha. Safari hivi. Alafu